Hi, I'm Rishi. I'm a Power BI consultant and a Microsoft certified trainer. I'm also a chartered accountant by background and a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional MVP, which just means that I love giving back to the Power BI community. Along with a few friends in the community, I'm planning to run a free one-day conference, hybrid, and also a series of workshops, virtual and in person, in London in August and September this year. These workshops and conference will be aimed at those finance professionals who are working in Power BI or looking to work in Power BI, and also Power BI professionals who work with finance data. First, we'll have a series of virtual workshops, short workshops, 8 hours, spread over 4 days each week and repeated each week in August to cater at different time slots to cater for different time zones around the world. These will be at beginner level. Then there'll be a free one-day conference, hybrid conference, on 24th of September. So it'll be in person at the Microsoft Reactor in London, and then also streamed virtually for those who are unable to attend in person. Following that, there'll be 2 workshops, 26th to 29th of September, so 2 4 days, run simultaneously as 2 different tracks, one beginner and one intermediate stroke advanced, in person in central London. In this video, I want to highlight what the 3 key reasons to attend the conference or one of the workshop sessions. The first reason is that there's something here for everyone. If you're relatively new to Power BI and to the equivalent features in Excel, then that's absolutely fine. In the beginner course, we'll start with standard Excel, looking at the kind of tasks that you need to do as a finance professional in standard Excel features. We'll then move on to looking at how you could do those same tasks in Power Query in Excel or Power BI Desktop, for example, to make those processes more automated and more efficient. If you've been working with Power BI for a while already, then in the intermediate stroke advanced course, we will look at complex datasets, scattered financial transactional data that's hosted, say, on an on-premise SQL database and in Excel files hosted on Teams. We'll look at taking that data and using data flows and data marts to shape it, build it in conformed dimensions into a data model, produce some complex DAX to make sure we can get all of the currency conversions and everything else that we need, and also produce some stunning visuals using both native and custom visuals. Here you can see an example of some of the visuals that we will do to produce an income statement. You can see here we've got some custom visuals, and also we've got tools from providers such as InfoRiver, Acteris and PowerOn, who have so much more in their platform as well, including write-back capability. So we'll be exploring some of those in that course too. The second reason is that these workshops will be hands-on. If you're just looking to watch someone present who knows what they're doing in Power BI and can show you the art of the possible, then to be fair, you're already very well catered for by the thousands of videos of user group sessions, conferences and courses that are available out there on the internet, largely for free. But these will be really hands-on workshops where you'll be sitting with your laptop and working through the tasks. And we're not going to give you a really simple data set with just simple instructions that's nothing like what you have to deal with at work. I've been in the finance world myself, and I know how challenging it can be to work with some of this data. So we'll make sure we bring out some of those challenges in the labs and the exercises, and where you can then practice them in the safe space of the workshop environment. The third reason is that the conference and the workshops will be relevant to you. The other challenge I see with both learning and teaching Power BI is that it's hard to engage with generic content, just talking about the great features of a tool. I believe any educational piece of content needs to answer the so what question, the what's in it for me. And that's what we're taking as our starting point for all the PPF content. So how is this relevant to our learners? What are the jobs that they need to do as finance professionals, accountants, and people working with finance data in Power BI? And for me, as a lifelong learner, if the content answers that and uses that as a starting point, then I'm much more engaged and I have much more fun learning how to do it. If any or all of these 3 things appeal to you, then do consider registering your interest at www.powerplatformfinance.com. You can do so with no commitment for now, and I'm happy to have a chat about what you want to get out of it before you decide whether it's for you. You could reach out to me on LinkedIn or Twitter using my alias rsoprano, details below. And yeah, let me know. We're working with a fantastic team of instructors here, as you can see, and I'm pretty confident that whatever your learning objectives are, we can make it happen. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to potentially meeting you at one of our workshops or conference sessions in the near future.